Racing just started inspiring break quickly at the start. Brazilian Baby in the middle portion. Star of Mangal has Halo. Then comes Lag to win at Chage while Bloodline is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, very inspiring Brazilian Baby in second. And on the outside, third comes Has Halo. Star of Manil is racing in fourth. Then next on that is Luck to Win Bloodline. While at Chage now racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled for runners. Party Rod for the lead, inspiring Star of Manil is down on the inside, and on the outside has Halo. In the middle portion, Brazilian Babe. Then next online is Luck to Win Bloodline, while at Chage now racing in less than a part turn. The lead now belongs to us. Halo by about 2 lengths, inspiring in second. Star of Manel is racing in third, Brazilian Babe. And on the outside, Luck to Win. Then comes Bloodline at Chage as they swing for home. We have Haas Halo, this time by about 6 lengths, inspiring in second, Brazilian Babe, Star of Manel. Last 75 meters, it's all Haas Halo, and finally Haas Halo. The second is inspiring Brazilian Babe, Star of Manel. Then comes Lag to Win, Bloodline at Chage.
5-1-4-2.